All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about a brand new AI tool that's kind of flipping the whole marketing world on its head. It's called StreetSpeak AI, and it's built around this really interesting idea. What if the absolute best way to sell something is to stop trying to sell?
Wow. Okay, so that's a pretty bold statement to kick things off, right? But honestly, it gets straight to the core of a massive problem we're all facing. We're just swimming in this ocean of perfect, super polished, and totally predictable content. And the whole argument here is that this old way of doing things isn't just on its way out, it's already gone.
And this is the reason why. Just think about your own social media feed for a second. You know what I'm talking about. It is just an endless scroll of sameness. You see the same stock clips, you hear the same robotic AI voices, the same exact style of captions. Your brain is so smart, it's learned to spot this stuff a mile away and just skip it. It feels fake, it feels like a sales pitch, and what happens? It gets absolutely zero engagement.
So if being perfect is the problem, then what in the world is the solution? Well, it's imperfection. Seriously. The new secret to actually getting someone's attention isn't about being flawless, it's about being human. The algorithms on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, you name it, they are actually starting to reward content that feels raw, real, and totally unscripted.
And this slide just nails the difference. Over on the left, you've got the old school way, the perfect, scripted stuff that our brains just instantly flag as an ad and we tune it out. But then look at the right. You've got raw, human-style content, the little stumbles, the genuine reactions. That's what builds trust. It doesn't feel like you're being sold to, so you stop, you listen, and you might even hit that share button.
So what's the one video format out there that just embodies this raw, authentic vibe? You guessed it, street interviews. This whole style is just blowing up everywhere because it taps into real opinions, real people, real reactions. It feels like you're kind of eavesdropping on a real conversation, and that little bit of curiosity is a superpower when it comes to stopping the scroll. And this, my friends, brings us right to the tool we're looking at today. If street interviews are the secret sauce, how can you possibly make them without actually hitting the streets with a camera crew and, dealing with the awkwardness of talking to strangers? Well, that's the exact problem StreetSpeak AI was created to solve. And here it is. This is StreetSpeak AI, and its big claim is that it's the very first AI application built from the ground up to generate these viral-style street interview videos, all without you ever leaving your desk.
So what is it, really? Well, think of it like this. It's an AI platform where all you have to do is give it a single keyword or a topic. That's it. From there, the AI takes over and does everything else. It creates these realistic-looking characters. It writes the whole interview script, it generates photorealistic backgrounds, and it uses natural, human-sounding voices to put it all together into a finished video that looks and feels authentic. And they've made the process sound ridiculously simple. Step 1, you just type in one keyword. Step 2, you sit back and let the AI do the heavy lifting. It builds the entire interview for you. Questions, answers, the whole thing. And then, step 3, you publish it. The whole idea is to get that scroll-stopping attention without needing any camera gear, editing skills, or technical know-how.
Okay, so how does this actually help you? What are the real-world benefits? Well, the magic behind this whole anti-sales method is that it's a strategy. It's all about driving clicks and sales by building trust first, instead of just shouting, "Buy my stuff" from the rooftops. And when you look at the benefits here, you can see it directly tackles all those problems we talked about earlier. You go from making robotic content to raw and real videos. You take that low engagement and turn it into real clicks and shares. You stop wasting hours and start creating videos in minutes. And the big one, you sell without selling, because you're building that crucial trust first. Plus, it's designed to work in pretty much any niche you can think of.
Now, here's a really important point. The claim is that this isn't just some new, untested theory. The argument is that this method is already being used quietly by some really smart underground marketers to get a massive head start while everyone else is still busy making those perfect, polished videos that nobody's watching.
So as you'd expect, with a cool new tool like this, there's a special deal on the table, especially for the people who jump in early. Let's take a quick look at the value they're offering during this initial launch. Okay, so let's break down this launch pricing. You can see there's the main offer, and then a few optional upgrades for things like a pro version or an agency license. But the real key thing to notice here is that these are all listed as one-time prices. That's a huge contrast to so many other tools that lock you into a monthly subscription. The goal here seems to be to give those early adopters access without that recurring bill.
But wait, the offer isn't just the software. See this number, 18? What do you think that is? Well, that is the total number of special bonuses they're throwing in to make the deal even sweeter and to help you get results way faster.
And these aren't just, random PDF files. We're talking about full-on training for YouTube, for video marketing, actual SEO tools, and a bundle of 10 other bonuses that are all focused on one thing: getting traffic. They're positioning this as a complete, all-in-one package for success.
So at this point, you're probably asking yourself, okay, this sounds cool, but who is this really for? Well, while the tool is meant to be pretty versatile, it's especially powerful for a few specific groups. Let's see if you're one of them.
I mean, look at this list. If you're a marketer trying to break through all the noise, a business owner who just needs more leads, a freelancer who wants to offer a hot new service, or a content creator looking for a totally fresh angle, this was built with you in mind. It's also perfect for e-commerce stores and even total beginners who just want to get that crucial edge right out of the gate.
All right, so we've covered the problem, the solution, all the benefits, and exactly who this is for. So what's the bottom line? Let's wrap this all up with a clear path forward.
And really, it all just boils down to this one simple question. Are you ready to finally stop making that perfect polished content that nobody ever sees and start creating videos that people actually connect with, watch, and share? If your answer is yes, then the final step they've laid out is super simple. You're directed to a link to get started with StreetSpeak AI. That's where you can grab that special launch price and all 18 of those bonuses we talked about. The promise is that this is your ticket to start creating anti-sales content that actually works.
Hi guys, welcome to StreetSpeak AI. Let's get started with creating an interview video. Let's call this StreetSpeak AI video, and you can select your characters, interviewer, and interviewee. You can select from our library, or you can create your own characters. Then you can define their personality. So as of now, let's go with Street Reporter, and the other one is an affiliate marketer. Then you can select the interview format like solo interview, face-to-face, portal style, and full body shot. I really like full body shot where you can have like complete video, and then you can select the type of aspect ratio and language and length of the video. So once that is selected, we go to the next step where we can select our niche, and we can even enter our custom niche. That is, the whole thing is based on StreetSpeak AI. So I'm going to call the niche StreetSpeak AI, and I'm going to enter all the details of the software. Then you can select the interview style template. It has so many options. Let's go with single powerful tip option, and then you can generate the questions and answers. So since we selected like 24-second long video, we have 8-second clips for each question. So 8-second for each question. And then if you want, you can edit these questions. Let's say I want to add some words to it. I don't like the answer. Then I can do all the editing. If I want to add my own custom questions, I can do that from here. And then you can select the background. So right now, let's say Times Square style billboard district. Then you can also enter the product or service detail that you want to provide, and you can enter all these details. Okay, so these are all optional, but the important part is the right question and answer, because that's the main script. So once everything is finalized, you can go to the next page where you can generate the interview scenes, since we have selected 24-second long video. So divided by 3, that's like 3 8-second long videos. So let's generate scene images for each scene one by one. Okay, the first image is ready, and let's wait for a second one. And then the second image is ready, and after a while, the third image is ready. So these images are generated based on the questions and the backgrounds and the niche and the characters that we have selected. So we have our 3 scenes ready now. We can generate videos for each scene one by one, or generate all videos together. Totally up to you. So I want to generate the first video first, and then we're going to wait for like 1 minute to 2 minutes, and then it's going to generate our first scene that is 8-second long. And the first scene is ready. If you want, you can preview this.
How does StreetSpeak AI work?
It transforms one keyword into engaging street interviews that capture attention and drive clicks effortlessly.
So our scene 1 is ready. Similarly, we generate scene 2, and we'll generate the video for scene 2, which will include the question and answer that is mentioned below that scene. And let's just wait for another 1 to 2 minutes, and it'll generate the complete ready-to-use clip for that. Scene 2 video is ready.
Who can use this tool?
Anyone. No camera skills or big following needed. Just input a keyword and watch the magic happen.
Okay, scene 2 is ready. Similarly, let's generate scene 3. So usually, since it is doing a lot of hard work, it takes 1 to 2 minutes to generate the complete scene video. Now scene 3 is ready.
What's the main benefit?
StreetSpeak AI creates viral content that boosts engagement and sales, making marketing super easy and effective.
Okay, are all 3 scenes are ready? Now we go to the next step. Before we go to the next step, let's save this next. And here we are to stitch the videos, the clips that we have created, like scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. If you want to reorder, you can reorder these scenes by simply drag and draw feature is there, so you can, rearrange if you want. And you can preview it in the timeline provided here. And on the top of that, you can design your captions. There are some presets, but if you don't like the color or settings, you can do all the corrections or changes that you want. And there's animation style for the captions as well. So once everything is selected, and you can watch the quick preview here. And if you like the preview also, like there is an option to, use your old clips that you've created in previous projects. So you can even call those clips here. And if you don't want, you can simply remove it. So right now I'm just going to keep these 3 clips that we have generated, and I think it looks good. The caption looks good. Now I'll just simply submit the video for stitching. That means the 3 scenes will be combined along with the captions that we have selected, the caption settings that we have selected here. So this usually takes another 1 to 2 minutes, and it'll stitch your video, the 3 scenes that you have created, and we will have our complete video ready in a few moments. Okay, our interview video has been stitched together successfully, and if you don't like, you can resubmit, but as of now, the video is ready. So I'm going to move to the next step where I can access the video. I can download the video from here. This is the final video, guys. We can download the video from here, and we can preview it from here. And before we do that, let's generate the hook where we're going to generate the title, video description, YouTube tags, and the hashtags. That is ready to use. And if you don't like any of these things, you can regenerate on the individual option. Okay, so video is ready to publish. You can download the thumbnail, and you can download the video from here. And now let's watch.
How does StreetSpeak AI work?
It transforms one keyword into engaging street interviews that capture attention and drive clicks effortlessly.
Who can use this tool?
Anyone. No camera skills or big following needed. Just input a keyword and watch the magic happen.
What's the main benefit?
StreetSpeak AI creates viral content that boosts engagement and sales, making marketing super easy and effective.
What you're seeing right now is StreetSpeak AI, a powerful new AI software designed to create highly engaging, street interview-style videos that grab attention, feel real, and convert better than traditional ads. Instead of polished, scripted content that people usually ignore, StreetSpeak AI helps you create raw, authentic-looking videos based on real human psychology, which is exactly what social media algorithms reward today. With this tool, you don't need a camera, microphone, actors, or editing skills. You simply enter a keyword or idea, choose your preferred style, and StreetSpeak AI instantly generates realistic street-style video content that looks like real conversations happening in the real world. These videos can be used across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, LinkedIn, ads, landing pages, and even client projects, making the tool extremely versatile. StreetSpeak AI is built for the new attention economy, where authenticity beats perfection and relatable videos outperform traditional sales content. You also get commercial rights, which means you can monetize the videos, promote affiliate offers, or even sell video creation services to clients. During the launch period, StreetSpeak AI is available at special pricing, and affiliates can earn high commissions per sale, making this both a powerful content tool and a strong income opportunity. As you scroll through this page, you can see exactly how StreetSpeak AI works, what features are included, and the different access options available. If this looks useful for your content or business, the link is in the description. You can grab this deal right now and start creating high-engagement street-style videos today.